Alright guys, so just really quick here, I'm going to show you how you're going to get some paint so that you can work on your painting. So follow me this way. We're going to go over here, and I've set up a little painting station here. So the first thing that you're going to want is one of these palettes. These palettes have these little compartments for you to put the colors in. Then what you're going to do is you're going to very carefully, making sure you don't make a mess, grab the colors that you need. So I have these squeezy bottles. This isn't ketchup, so don't eat it. You're going to just squeeze your paint just a little bit like that. Just a little bit like that. You can always get more. You don't need to fill this whole thing up. Just a little bit like that. Get the colors that you need. Probably going to want a little bit of each color. And get your palette all set up so that maybe it looks something like this. Of course, you might have more colors in there. And then you want to get your paint brushes here. So you're going to need two different types of paint brushes. You're going to need a flat brush so that you can fill in big areas quickly with color, and that's going to be really important when you're underpainting. And then you're going to want a round brush like this for painting things like lines and details. So make sure you grab yourself a brush each. And then you're also going to need a paper towel for rinsing and wiping your brush. And I'll show you how to do that. Then once you have your setup here, you can take it to your seat, and then there's one last thing that you're gonna need to get. Okay, so once you got your paint set up and you got your paint brushes and your paper towel, the last thing that you need is a cup of water. So you're gonna see these black cups here that are in this purple basket. All you're gonna do is you're just gonna get a cup of water, fill it up about halfway. You don't want to fill it up too far because as you walk it'll splash and splatter all over the place. And then just take it to your spot and get started painting. Alrighty, hope that helps. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how to clean up your painting supplies, clean up procedures. So here's what you're going to do. First of all, if you have a lot of paint in your paint tray like this, we're not going to throw this away. We're not going to wash this down the sink. So I have these blue trays here. So all you're going to do is you're going to stick your paint palette in the blue trays and put the cover on, and that will keep them clean. Keep them from drying out. Your water, all you're going to do is this. It's really easy. You take your water and you dump it in the sink and you put your cup back into the thing. You don't leave it over here or anything like that. Your brushes, all you do with your brushes, rinse them out really, really well, and you put them right back where you got them from. And your paper towel, in case you don't know what to do with the dirty paper towel, you throw it in the trash can, and that's it. Okay, there's one more thing left that you have to do as part of the cleanup procedures, and that is what to do with your wet painting. So I have several dry racks around my art room. One of them is right here in this corner. And if you put your artwork into this dry rack, you need to make sure that you put it in the middle, because if you see there's two rungs, one here and one here, and you want those to be underneath your drawing so that it doesn't fall down. By the way, remember what dry rack you put your artwork in, because I'm going to leave your artwork in that same dry rack, most likely, until you come back the next week. Another dry rack that I have is right here in this corner. So all you need to do for this dry rack is just slot it in, just like that. And then thirdly, there's one more dry rack around this art room. There's one more dry rack, and it is over here by my blue filing cabinets, right there. So all you have to do for this is slot it in, just like that. So again, remember what dry rack you put it in. Remember what dry rack you put it in. And if I assign your class a dry rack, then that means that I'm going to take your paintings out when they are dry and put them in their folder. Okay, bye.